So today we have this light from GVM. These are the brand new. This one is the GVM 900D. This one is a bicolor, so it means you can go all the way from 3200 all the way to 56 Kelvin. It's a kit of 2, so it comes with tripod, transformer, and all the things you need ready to start filming, photograph, YouTube channel, whatever it will be. And I want to show you this right now. Alright, so like I said in the beginning, this one is 900D from GVM. The first thing we need to look at it is the new design. We can see, normally we see this type of light, they are straight up, but we can see this one, it has like an angle. And what the advantage will give you to that is if you do this, you can point it easy if you need to go all the way down. Remember, we have the band door, so eventually the band doors will stop you right from slicing. You will remove it, but you can slice it down. So if you need to take that effect, you need to point it down. So we give you this better angle of the light. The whole construction is plastics, so it's real light and make it easy to, if you're a mobile and you need to go in different studio, different places, so make it pretty easy. Comes already with the transformer. In this case, the transformer is already installed. 110 240. And remember, you can always use the Sony type batteries. It comes with the patch cable. I will leave you the information right below this video. Again, comes with a nice bar door, and the type of filter they have here. I know this is only 50 watts, but they have this special filter where it makes the light even much stronger than 50 watts. And it's a bicolor. And again, 3200 early morning sun, afternoon sun, and 56 kilowatt daylight will be around 12 o'clock. Now, the nice thing about this light, we can control this with an application. So if you download the application from GVM and you create a local network between your phone, Wi-Fi, and this, we can control all the lights. Simple. We can turn it on, turn it off, and we can change the colors. We want 50, 32, 34, 5600. We can control up to 11 lights, so we got 11 channels. We make one light a master light, and then next one we make a slave light. So there's one light, you turn it on, and one light, you move here, and all the lights will move together. Or what you can do is just have a single and do not connect it. From here we can switch between make a slave, master, and we got 11 channels we can change. Now from here 10% on number 10, it means the intensity of the light. It starts at 10% and we go all the way to 99, or it says 100, or the pure 50 watts. Now from this side we can control the Kelvin, so as soon as I move it says 3200. From 3200 we can go all the way to 56 or 56 Kelvin. And what I like is real light in a sense. It comes with a real cable. The cable to power up the device is real long. I don't know, I think it's maybe 10 feet, 12 feet. It's pretty long cable. I'm going to put this that way. It's going to overdrive a little bit my camera. But right now it's in a 3200. Here we can see my hand. 3200. I'm going to bring this to 56 Kelvin. You can see now it's much wider. Right? And this is 10%. And we go all the way up. Takes a few seconds and we see that is 100%, and that's 56. Let's turn it off. And once again, is real light, nice, easy to use. Comes with the already installed band doors. It has the screw, so if you want to remove it, I guess it can be removed. But the idea is have these band doors. And comes already with the filter. The filter, I don't think we can remove it either, because that has like a special lens. What it makes is even much stronger than the original 50 watts they have. So real good light. And like always, I will leave you all the information right below this video, and let me know what you're going to be using for this. So you're starting your brand new YouTube channel, wedding, studio, photograph, film, whatever the case, right? So let me know in a comment right below the video, and all the info in the link will be right below. So I'll see you next time. Bye.